Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Forgotten Gear Restorations. Here's a repair, or an attempted repair, on an Ampeg RB-115. That was aborted. Owner pulled the plug. That happens sometimes. But then I'm just left with video scraps. What am I supposed to do with that? Anyway, this one was going into an eternal loop of fault protection mode. Let's see if we can gain a little bit of insight with a short run of video. I mean, after all, the information placard reads that it's ready for liftoff. Let's see if that was actually the case. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Bye. All right, now let's get the volume up. And let's move on over. Oh, she is ready for liftoff.
Watch out! Watch out!